Welcome to Tech News and Updates channel iTech News. Motorola has launched the Moto Tab G60 to the company's latest tablet in India, as it had promised. It has a 10.6-inch 2K screen, is powered by Snapdragon 680 SoC with 4GB of RAM and comes in both Wi-Fi and 4G models. The tablet runs Android 12, features quad speakers, Dolby Atmos, has a metal body with a dual-tone finish and packs a 7700 mAh battery with support for 20-watt charging. The Moto Tab G62 comes in frost blue color and is priced at 15,999 rupees for the 4GB plus 64GB Wi-Fi model, and the 4GB plus 64GB LTE model costs 17,999 rupees. Please subscribe to our channel for more tech news and updates. Please like, share and subscribe.